The last couple of days we've looked at what a permutation is and what a combination is. Today we're going to take a look at how to tell the difference between the two. So remember, a permutation is an arrangement where order matters, and a combination is an arrangement where order does not matter. So what you want to think about when you're looking at each example is, does the order in which I choose the items matter? Will it make a difference? Or do I end up with the same group no matter what? So our first question is, how many different locker combinations are possible on a 49 number dial? Now locker combinations are 3 digits, so we know we've got 3 numbers that we're choosing. And does order matter? If you have the combination 1, 2, 3, and you go 2, 3, 1, will your locker open? The answer is no, it will not. It's actually a locker permutation. Our second question is, how many of those permutations are possible? So we have 49 numbers that we are choosing from. Order matters, and we are choosing 3 of the numbers. That gives us a total of 110,544 different possible locker permutations. How many ways can you create a 5-digit password if no letter can be repeated? If your password is LOR and you type in OHALR, will you get into your account? No, you will not. This is a permutation. The order you type in those letters matters. How many different 5-letter passwords could you create? Well, there are 26 letters in the alphabet. Order matters, and we are choosing 5 of them. This would give us a total of 7,893,600 different passwords that we could create if we don't repeat any of the letters. How many ways can I choose 3 volunteers from a class of 20? If I choose Bobby and then Billy and then Joe, or if I choose Joe and then Billy and then Bobby, do I end up with the same 3 volunteers? Yes, the order in which I choose my volunteers does not matter. So it's a combination. So we have 20 students that I am choosing from. Order does not matter, and I want 3 volunteers. So in this case, I only have 1,140 different ways that I could choose my volunteers. And last is, how many ways could we create a pizza if we're choosing 3 toppings? So when we have our pizza, if we do pepperoni and then sausage and then mushroom, or if they put the mushroom on and then the pepperoni and then the sausage, will we end up with the same pizza? And the answer is yes. So this is a combination. There are 9 toppings to choose from. Order does not matter, and I want 3 of the toppings, so that would give me 84 different pizzas that I could create. You try. You have 2 questions. First, is it a permutation or a combination? Does the order you choose the items matter? And then secondly, how many different ways could you choose those items?